What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're going to be drawing a Mosasaurus from Jurassic World. Now we're going to be drawing this character from the side, so let's move over towards the left side of our page and start with the eye. Starting from the inside, we're going to draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that down towards the right. Now let's tuck the eye in underneath this eyelid. Starting from the inside, we're going to draw a half circle. Coming down, now we're going to tuck that up, leaving a little overlap on the right side. And now we're going to draw the front edge of the brow. Starting from that inside point, we're going to curve out towards the left, and then up. Let's add a fold to the inside edge of the eye. Starting back at the top, we'll curve down, just taper out towards the right. Let's draw on the top of the brow. From this point, we're going to step up, we're going to curve over the eye, and we're just going to bring that down on the outside. Now we're going to go back to the front of the brow, we're going to draw on the top of the beak. So from here, it's going to curve down and out toward the left. And as we get towards the tip of the beak, we're just going to bend this down. Going all the way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to draw on the top of the mouth. From the tip of the beak, we're going to curve up and bend this down underneath the eye. And we're just going to curve that back up towards the corner of the mouth. Now let's add a fold on the top of the beak. On the inside edge of the brow, we're just going to curve out and then down, sort of aiming towards the tip of the beak. Let's move back to the right and draw on the lower edge of the mouth. Starting underneath this curve, I'm going to come down through the curve. I'm just going to round this out, go over toward the front of the beak, and then we'll just bend this down and over towards the left. Let's add the cartilage in the corner of the mouth. Starting at the top, and curve over and then down towards the bottom. Let's draw the lower edge of the jaw. Starting from the tip of the mouth, curve in and then down. Now I'm just going to taper this so it gets a little bit wider as you come up towards the jaw. And then from here, it's going to round out the jaw. We'll curve around. I'm just going to pull this up, aiming towards the top corner of the mouth. We're going to stop right about there. Let's add in the top row of teeth. Starting from the tip of the beak, we're going to step in, curve down and in, and we'll just taper that back up. We leave a small gap and just draw the same thing. We're going to continue all the way in towards the corner of the mouth. We'll add one smaller one on the inside. Now let's go to the bottom and curve in the opposite direction. From the tip, we're going to step in, curve up and in, and taper it back down. Again, leaving a little gap, we're going to continue all the way in towards the inside of the mouth. And one smaller one on the inside. Now we're going to add the tongue on the inside. Starting from the cartilage, start by curving down and out toward the left. Now I'm just going to bend this down in behind the teeth. And then we're going to draw the back side of the mouth. In behind the tooth, we're going to curve in and then down behind the tongue. Let's fill that inside area in black. Now let's move back up and draw on the back. We're going to start on the back of the brow here. Start by curving out towards the right and then up. We want to round out the back coming towards the tail. We go up and bend this down right about there. Now I'm going to curl this up towards the tail. Blending to a curve going up. And we'll bend this back out towards the right, towards the tip of the tail. Let's add some spines along the back. Starting up here, start with a curve going up and over towards the right. And we're just going to taper that back down. And do another one. Go across, back down. Now as you get to the top of this hump, we're going to go a little bit bigger. We're going to start to increase the size of these spines. And this one right here is going to be the biggest one. And now we're going to start to reseed them. They're going to get a little bit smaller as we come down. I'm going to continue to go even smaller down here. We'll do a couple more. And do one smaller one at the end. Let's continue to add more spines on the tip of the tail. So we're going to start down here. We're going to start with a small curve going up and taper that back. Now again, they're going to get larger as you come up towards this top peak of this curve. Start to increase the size. Now right here we're going to draw the largest one. We're going to go up and then back down, and then we're just going to taper them out. So it gets smaller as you get to the end of the tail. Now we're going to move all the way back and draw on the front fin. So beside the jaw, we're going to leave a gap. Starting up here, we're going to start by curving down and then over towards the right, towards the tip of the fin. Then from here, we're just going to taper this up. It gets wider as you come up to right about there. We want to round this out and then pull that in, and then we'll pull this in towards the base of the fin. Let's draw on the lower part of the body. Just underneath the jaw, we're going to curve down, then in behind the fin. Now we're going to continue over on the right side. We'll come down, we'll just pull that up to right about there. Now let's overlap the back fin. From here we're going to step in and up, curve down over that line, and then out towards the right. Now we're going to taper this back up. It's wider, up to right about there. Now again, we're going to round this out, and we'll pull this in towards the base of the fin. Now we want to continue the body going up towards the tail. So we'll start in behind the fin, we're going to curve up. Now we're going to pull this out towards the tip of the tail. Let's add a trim underneath the body. From the jaw, we're going to step up, we curve in behind the fin. We'll continue in behind, in towards the back fin. Now this gap is going to get narrower as you come up towards the tail. So just blend this up. Now at the very top, we want to add a second layer of spines just below. So right up here, we're going to start with a curve going up and over, and then we'll taper that back down. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing. And then we're just going to continue this over towards the right. Start to get a bit smaller at the end, and just do one more. Now we want to draw the back fins in behind the body. So we're going to take this curve, we're going to step in, just going to draw that coming down and in, and we're just going to tuck this up behind the front fin. Let's do the same thing on the back. We're going to step over, curve down, and then out. Now we're just going to taper that back up in behind the back fin. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's a Mosasaurus from Jurassic World. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.